Hello, this is iMobi. If you want to know how to take screenshots, record videos, or annotate when mirroring screen with AnyMiro, this video will help you operate better. First, open AnyMiro and connect the device. After the device is successfully connected, AnyMiro will automatically switch to the mobile phone interface. You can click the phone symbol to change the interface to phone style. Then you can click the screenshot button to take a screenshot. When the screenshot is successful, AnyMiro will automatically save the screenshot. You can click to view to check the screenshot. Click record to record. After finishing the recording, you can also click here to view the recorded video. Then you can click the annotate function to annotate. For example, you can frame and circle the key points, arrow pointing, drawing lines to mark, annotate and other operations. Of course, each option can choose color and thickness. If you mark it wrong, you can click undo to withdraw the operation. Or you can click broom to clear all annotations.